we're gonna make some bath bombs, because why not, right? So you need baking soda, Epsom salt, citric acid, a little castor oil, some cornstarch, a mold of some sort. This is from a previous bath bomb that we had, and we're gonna put in some color and some essential oils, which I forgot and I need to go grab. Hardest thing about bath bombs is not having them fizz in the bowl. All right, so we're gonna start with baking soda. Yes, I have children. We did a lot of volcanoes. I got the big bag of baking soda. So we're gonna go for half a cup baking soda. Epsom salt. We're gonna go for a quarter cup of Epsom salt. Kind of crunch and munched together. Cup of Epsom salt, quarter cup of citric acid. I thought I'd be making a lot of bath bombs, so I got a lot of citric acid. I bought it online. Honestly, I can't remember where, but bath bomb for years. And a quarter cup of cornstarch. Right, we're gonna whisk all this together. All right, now we go for the wet stuff. This is where we get some fizz action, which is what you really don't want. You want to be careful to not get too much fizzing, because then you're losing all your fizz in the bath. All right, so we want 3 teaspoons of castor oil. Last time I made this, I didn't look at my recipe close enough to realize I'm going to add water too. Added a lot of oil. Left for very moisturized skin. All right. We'll go for our essential oils. We're going to use some lemon. We're going to do a few drops of food coloring. Last time we did white, it just made the water cloudy, so why not add some color? We're going for some green. I did 2 drops. We'll see what that does. And lastly, a tablespoon of water. Here's where the fizz comes in. Oh, not too much fizz. That's a lot of fizz.
You gotta stir it really quick.
A lot of fizz. Let's stir this up. Ignore the mess behind me. I just realized I didn't do breakfast dishes. So, messy kitchen, but hey, it's real life, man. Messes happen. Oh, and wearing the comfy today because it's a cold day, and this was a very comfy Christmas. Everybody got a comfy because COVID, you're outside a lot to see friends, right? They're great for sitting around the fire and watching a movie. We're going to take our mold and fill it up. I put a little extra on top, still trying to figure out how to get these two to marry together nicely. Maybe we'll do it like pottery, do some scoring. Maybe that'll work. Okay, together they go. There we go, a beautiful little bath bomb. I'm going to do the same with the second half, and we'll see how they go in the tub tonight. Enjoy!